gonna go ahead and say this is the peace card down here, guys. You wanna go down? I thought you wanted to sit on my lap, buddy. Up or down, pick it. Where are you going? Wanna go down? No? You wanna sit like this? Alright, so strife right here, making this the peace card, and then we have the sideways fluctuations with a bullish trend preceding a decline. That's the chariot card. Turns into price swings midday. And then we have this period of volatility that ends with a fast sudden move to the upside. I guess this is the fast sudden move to the upside. Then we have prudence. We should see a decline here. This might be the decline, or it might be after the bell, but my sense is that this is probably the decline right here. Multiple false tops, and then we have selling down to and through a support level from a crest in the last hour. A U-shaped dip around the close, and then sharp decline through multiple support levels in the post-market. So you combine all that together, we got some pretty bearish energy at the end of the day. Hey Mo, how's it going? Right, and this is also a day of an important low. Interesting, for whatever reason I didn't have a sneak preview card. Sometimes that happens, I don't know, I get distracted or something. Everything's meant to be though, so interesting. Interesting, we had that strife card yesterday, and that was also at an important, I mean, it was at roughly the same price level. You could say that that's all strife right there. Matter of fact, let's get rid of some of these old ones. Where was that unicursal at? There was a unicursal in there. The music. So hey guys, a Santa rally. Well, so FYI, there's a free 1 month overview reading, Mo, that comes out every month about a week ahead of the month on the 21st, usually. And you get that free every month. we're running roughly a 98% average accuracy on that, and that talks about the highs, or calls the highs and lows to the day and behavior and all that stuff. The way to get that is to sign up for the free newsletter on our website, tarotfortraders.com, and basically it's the reading for what we're looking at now. Right here, this is the December reading. So a Santa rally. I mean, it's also Mercury entering Mercury retrograde when we have Christmas, so it should be a pretty wild December. It's really like a lot of sideways behavior, and there's a big move to the upside. It looks like on the 22nd, but an actual like rally throughout the month. I'm not so sure if that's what you're asking. There's also a low correlation just a couple days later after the 19th on the 20th or 21st, excuse me. We have a big move higher on the 27th, like a significant move higher, but it's out of the low, like maybe one of the month's like lowest points. Hey Sean. Yeah, I'm back, dude, for a little while. You know, I mean, what I need, there's been some people that have actually gone and done the 1 month recurring subscription for the ticker that they want to see. And we only need like maybe 5 more of those, and I'll be able, if we have 5 more people that subscribe for a monthly subscription, I'll be able to get back on the live like every day. So we're not far. Got to say thank you to those that stepped up and signed up for a subscription, because I mean they're using the information anyways. You know, it would be nice to compensate in return somehow. But really need that to pay the bills. So we need about another 5 subscriptions, monthly subscriptions, and we'll be able to get back to the live like regularly every 3 o'clock, maybe even more than that. It's interesting. It doesn't show that I have viewers, but the 2 of you I've been talking to, it says 0 viewers. So I wonder why that is. Yeah, and I officially moved into New York. I'm here, a New Yorker again. Although I am a native New Yorker, but I'm back right in the heart in Manhattan. Kind of spent the whole day trying to set up how I'm going to do this new recording area and whatnot. I got my green screen working. Not sure what I'll do with that, but I actually like this office space better. I was like a little worried because of the way that the apartment's set up that I wasn't going to have a good office space, but I was able to make it work quite well. We had the high nullified on the 29th and nullified on the 30th. Not good, not good, not good. Chariot's highlighted here. Wait, that was a trade opportunity. Oh right, I was going to mark that. Use yellow for air, element of air cards. So we're going to make this price level right around here. Not green. There you go. We're gonna make that the peace level, and then this up here is like the strife level. Orange red. kind of like strife right there. And so what I'm doing right now, if you're new to this sort of thing, guys, I'm marking price levels based on where I see repeating cards, like the same cards show up on the timeline, and you see the same price level where that card shows up. So by that I mean, like, we have the strife card on the 28th around 2 to 3 o'clock, so in the afternoonish, and we go from like here down to here in the afternoon. And I picked that as the strife card because then the following day on the 29th in the morning we have strife right here, and it's basically the same price levels that we deal with. Was working. I'm not sure why it's not now. That's weird. Trade there at the peak, a trade here at the open, a trade here at strife, and then it looks like a trade here when we start into chariot, and this is all chariot price with a midday like real price swing, and then there's still volatility, it looks like here. I think probably multiple false tops means we're going higher, but there's a crest and we sell from it. So my sense is that that may take place like overnight. But yeah, pretty choppy, guys. It's so weird. I wonder why it doesn't show that I have viewers, even though I obviously do have viewers. I wonder how many people are actually watching right now. That's a notable reversal if you ask me. Hey Joe. Hey Joe, how are you, man? Was just saying how I moved into my new place in New York, so I'm here in Manhattan now. And I was pretty nervous at first about the setup for. I gotta do something about the green screen because it doesn't seem to be working for some reason. It was earlier. With that set, I'm gonna put on my purple light because it makes me feel more in the mode. I am in New York. I'm here on the Upper East Side. Still kind of unpacking and getting settled, but I grew up in this apartment when I was little. It's a one bedroom converted into a 2-bedroom, and I grew up here with at one point with my sister and my parents. But mostly I grew up here with my parents. It was like 3 people in a 1-bedroom apartment. I was a little nervous, a lot of bad memories, but they're not here in this apartment anymore, and I got all this space, and there's a ton of storage, and like my office space is like twice as big as it was in Fort Lauderdale. So I'm feeling pretty good actually about it. Thanks, Joe. It's cool to be back. So yeah, that was a pretty. All right, I'm up for it, my man. I'm still not like fully like doing live like every day and whatnot. But we had some people come through with subscriptions, so we're getting close. I need probably like another 5 or so people to subscribe, and then I'll be back on live like every single day. But it's cool. It's like moving in that direction. I basically drove for 2 days straight, and one of those days was in the rain, so I've been pretty beat. And then I unpacked all day, so that's been kind of like my back is done. Now I gotta figure out where to do my yoga. Got a few more Decembers coming out tonight, guys, or tonight or tomorrow, probably tomorrow. But I was able to stay on top of the markup, so I've got a few more I can record under this influence, this lunar influence. Wow. So this meetup group that I scheduled our first meetup for, holy crap, there's already 31 attendees to this? That's awesome. This is the first I looked at it since I made it. Check it out, my friends. Matter of fact, let me change the... Okay. I gotta figure out where we're doing this. That's pretty dope. There's 31 people already. So this is December 7th. This one is free. I'm going to make them like $5 events because meetup costs money, and so does my time. It's a lot of time to do all of this stuff, but this one is free. It'll be the first one. We'll kind of like talk and chill and whatnot. I'm pretty stoked. I gotta figure out a location. Somewhere around NYU. So for tomorrow, there's a crest that's revisited. That was recently a past opportunity. Interesting. So yeah, I think we probably have this like dip. We'll open, we'll decline like in the post market or like in the pre-market too, or there's a gap down or something. But then I think probably no gap down. We open higher, and we're like above a resistance level briefly, and then we turn around and we decline through support. Looks like there's quite a bit of selling here early in the day. That's probably where we visit that crest, and then there's erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level, because we do have probably somewhere around the low's either midday or it's like right around 2 to 3 o'clock. It's probably 2 to 3 o'clock actually. And there's a big move to the upside from that. So in that 2 to 3 o'clock hour-ish, after we hit a low, there's going to be a move to the upside out of that low from the bottom of range all the way to the top of range. And what that'll do is give us an opportunity to position oneself in both directions. See, there's that Princess of Swords again. So that'll be interesting. And the Strife card, so that we'll have to see if that's the same price level, that Strife card there. For those of you that just hopped on, we identified the Strife level here. Based on the 28th, we had the Strife card roughly 2 to 3. So like in the afternoon, right, we hit this resistance and then we break down with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down. My sense is that this is the Strife card because they share the same. There's another Strife card here first thing in the morning, and that price level is kind of like shared here. This is also, so like this is the Strife range, I should say, and then down here I identified the Peace card from today as well. Hopefully everybody's been doing all right. Been super busy with the move and everything. We did have some people come through that signed up for monthly subscriptions for the stocks that they want to make sure they see every month. So we need probably like another 5 subscriptions, like 5 paid subscribers, and we'll be able to do the live again like every day at 3 o'clock. So I'm pretty stoked we're on our way there. I'm also planning on putting so I'm going to talk about the behavior, the stock chart behavior in the free video, and then for those that pay for the subscription, there'll be an added piece at the end of the video that has like the best trade of the month on there. And you only get that if you've paid for the subscription, and I think that'll help for us to get support so we can keep doing this. Anything you guys want me to take a look at while I'm on? I'm gonna roll. As far as what we've still got coming out, guys, this month, I was able to squeeze in a few more, and if I can record them all, we're looking at between tonight and tomorrow, the following, provided I have enough time to record all of them: Google's December, Microsoft's December, Netflix December, Tesla December, those 4. As soon as December hits, I'm doing January. I have 12 days to pop out all of January's content so that I don't have to be recording stuff during retrograde. Alright guys, I'm going to roll. Doesn't look like anybody has any questions, so I'm going to pop off. Thanks for watching. I'm glad everybody was able to get on that did, and I'll see you on the next one when I can be on, guys. Like I said, we need another 5 monthly subscribers, and I'll be able to do it again full time. So I hope some other people come through, some other awesome people.